fishing in a while.
I know.
That's crazy. All right.
Wow, it just hit.
Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Oh, oh, a bit more. Nah, bro. Die. I got this. I got this too. That's this too.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
There's another catfish bait.
Another catfish back.
That way in 2 weeks when we go catfishing, we'll have us some bait, huh?
Oh yeah. Catfish bait.
Oh yeah.
Oh! I saw that. That's fun. That was fun. Sundown.
That is our catfish bait right there.
Oh yeah. My first hurt.
Yeah.
This one's sore. I'm sure it was one. Let's
Try way over there this time.
way out there.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I did it down. My finger still hurts.
Oh.
Really?
They're everywhere, ain't they?
Oh yeah. Oh, the big one.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
I see it.
Oh man.
What?
He is fighting like a shark. Did you catch a shark?
I'm bad if it's a shark too.
Heck yeah, buddy. He's on it.